Tom is a boy. He is young. He wants to change his life. Tom feels lazy. He uses his phone too much. He watches videos all day. He eats unhealthy food. He sleeps late. Tom is not happy. He wants to be better. He wants to be strong. He wants to be healthy. This is his story. Tom sits in his room. He looks at his phone. He sees funny videos. He laughs. But he feels empty. He thinks, I do this every day. I want to change. Tom is scared. Change is hard. He tried before. He failed. But Tom says, I will try again. Tom remembers a book. The book says, start small. Do one thing every day. Tom likes this idea. He says, I can do that. He decides to start today. He wants to be healthy. He wants to learn new things. He wants to feel good. Tom thinks about his problems. He knows why change is hard. First, he wants to be perfect. He says, I will exercise 1 hour every day. But he is busy. He never starts. He waits for the perfect time. The perfect time never comes. Second, Tom talks badly to himself. He says, I am lazy. I can't change. This makes him sad. It makes him stop trying. Third, Tom likes his comfort zone. His phone is easy. Videos are fun. Change is scary. It feels hard. Fourth, Tom is afraid of failure. He thinks, what if I try and fail? This fear stops him. He stays in his room. He does nothing. Fifth, Tom waits for motivation. He says, I will start when I feel ready. But motivation goes away. Tom never starts. Tom wants to fight these problems. He makes a plan. He says, I will use 4 tools. I will change my life. Tom is excited. He is ready to try. He starts with the first tool, small changes. Tom says, I don't need to be perfect. I will do one small thing every day. He decides to walk. He walks for 5 minutes. He goes outside. The sun is bright. The air is fresh. Tom feels good. He says, this is easy. I can do this. The next day, Tom walks again. He walks for 6 minutes. He smiles. He feels stronger. He says, small steps are good. Tom keeps walking every day. Each day, he adds 1 minute. After 1 month, he walks for 30 minutes. Tom is proud. Tom uses the second tool, change how he sees himself. He says, I am not lazy. I am someone who tries. I am someone who grows. He writes this on paper. He reads it every morning. I am a healthy person, he says. I am a strong person. Tom starts to act like a healthy person. He eats an apple. He drinks water. He says, this is who I am. He feels different. He feels good. His actions match his new identity. He is not lazy Tom anymore. He is strong Tom. Tom uses the third tool, change his environment. He wants to stop using his phone too much. He puts his phone in a drawer. He says, I can't see it. I won't use it. He puts a book on his table. He sees the book. He reads one page. The next day, Tom reads 2 pages. He likes the story. He says, reading is fun. He puts fruit on his kitchen table. He sees an orange. He eats it. He says, this is easy. My environment helps me. Tom feels happy. Tom uses the 4th tool, take action. He says, I don't need to wait. I will start now. He wants to learn English. He watches a short video in English. He learns one word, hello. He says it out loud. Hello, he says. He smiles. The next day, Tom learns another word, thank you. He says, thank you. He feels good. He doesn't wait for the perfect moment. He just starts. He makes mistakes. He says the wrong word, but he tries again. He learns. Tom goes to a park. He wants to practice English. He sees a woman. She is sitting on a bench. Tom is nervous. He takes a deep breath. He smiles. He says, hello, nice day, isn't it? The woman smiles. She says, yes, it is. Tom says, thank you. He walks away. He is happy. He used English. He talked to a stranger. He feels proud. Tom says, I can do this. I am changing. He goes to the park again the next day. He sees a man. The man is walking a dog. Tom smiles. He says, hello, cute dog. The man says, thank you. Tom says, you're welcome. He feels good. He is learning English. He is talking to people. Tom goes to a shop. He wants to buy fruit. He sees a shopkeeper. He smiles. He says, "Hello, do you have apples?" The shopkeeper says, "Yes, here." Tom says, "Thank you." He buys apples. He feels strong. Tom goes to a library. He wants a book. He sees a librarian. He says, "Hello, where are English books?" The librarian says, "Over there." Tom says, "Thank you." He finds a book. He reads one page. He is happy. Tom goes to a cafe. He wants coffee. He sees a waiter. He says, "Hello, is the coffee good?" The waiter says, "Yes, very good." Tom says, "Thank you. One coffee, please." He drinks his coffee. He feels proud. Tom practices at home. He talks to himself. He says, "Hello, how are you?" He answers, "I am good, thank you." He changes the words. He says, "Hello, nice day, isn't it?" He answers, "Yes, it is." He practices every day. Tom records himself. He uses his phone. He says, "Hello, I am Tom." He listens. He hears mistakes. He tries again. He says, "Hello, I am Tom." His voice is clearer. He is happy. He is learning. Tom watches English videos. He sees people say, "Hello, how are you?" He copies them. He says, "Hello, how are you?" He sees people say, "Thank you." He says, "Thank you." He learns new words every day. Tom goes to a gym. He wants to be healthy. He sees a trainer. He smiles. He says, "Hello, can you help me?" The trainer says, "Yes, sure." Tom says, "Thank you." The trainer shows him exercises. Tom tries. He feels strong. Tom goes to a market. He wants vegetables. He sees a seller. He says, "Hello, do you have carrots?" The seller says, "Yes, here." Tom says, "Thank you." He buys carrots. He feels good. He eats healthy food. Tom goes to a bus stop. He wants to go to the city. He sees a woman. He says, "Hello, is this the bus to the city?" The woman says, "Yes, it is." Tom says, "Thank you." He feels confident. He is using English. Tom goes to a zoo. He sees animals. He sees a man. The man is looking at lions. Tom smiles. He says, "Hello, are lions your favorite?" The man says, yes, they are big. Tom says, yes, thank you. He feels happy. Tom goes to a post office. He wants to send a letter. He sees a clerk. He says, hello, where can I send a letter? The clerk says, over there. Tom says, thank you. He sends his letter. He is proud. Tom learns 5 important lessons. First, start small. Do one thing every day. Second, change how you see yourself. Say, I am strong. I am healthy. Third, change your environment. Put good things around you. Fourth, take action. Don't wait. Fifth, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Tom's life is changing. He walks every day. He eats healthy food. He reads books. He learns English. He talks to strangers. He is not lazy anymore. He is strong. He is healthy. He is happy. One day, Tom sees a boy. The boy looks sad. Tom smiles. He says, hello. Are you okay? The boy says, no, I feel lazy. Tom says, I was lazy too. But you can change. Start small. Try one thing. The boy says, really? What? Tom says, walk for 5 minutes. Say hello to someone. Eat an apple. The boy smiles. He says, thank you. Tom says, you're welcome. Tom feels amazing. He helped someone. Tom's journey is not over. He keeps walking. He keeps reading. He keeps learning English. He keeps talking to people. He makes mistakes, but he tries again. Every day he gets better. Every day he feels stronger. You can be like Tom. You can change your life. Start small. Walk for 5 minutes. Read 1 page. Say hello. Change how you see yourself. Say, I am strong. Change your environment. Put your phone away. Take action. Don't wait. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Start today. Do one thing. Smile. Try. You will grow. You will change. You will be happy. Tom did it. You can do it too.